Guys, Knowledge of Health here again with another check the market, beat the market. Alright guys, this morning I decided to buy EMR. This came up on my radar actually a few times recently. Somehow I had ran across a book on dividend investing, and then I was looking up some of the Dividend Kings and the Dividend Aristocrats. Dividend Kings have raised their dividend every single year for the last 50 years. And this is one of 29 stocks that is a Dividend King. As you can see here, it had a drop here. I think I saw something that it was 11.5% drop. It had some weak Q3 results. This is a stock that is cyclical, so it should bounce back. But it has just been a mainstay over the years. As you can see, it has a 2% yield, but what people don't understand is that the dividend you get from a stock is dependent on when you bought the stock. Let me break it down with a simple example. Say, you're like Warren Buffett and you bought Coca-Cola when it was $5 a share. Say, for the simple numbers, it pays a 5% yield, but it goes up to $50 per share, and it's paying a 5% yield. Well, the shares you bought at $5, you're now getting a 50% yield on. So the fact that certain stocks, and Coca-Cola is, I believe in the Dividend Aristocrat, which it's raised its dividend every year for 25 years. So, but those types of stocks, over time, you are generally gonna do pretty well. I also feel like with the economic uncertainty here on just kind of if America's going to go into a recession, what kind of policies are coming forth, things like that, that maybe that's why I've been leaning into some of these more defensive type plays lately. But look at this here. This is almost a perfect money flow pattern here. It drops, it's going sideways, and it's just about to pop above the 5-day EMA and the 20-day SMA. I called an audible and just bought it. The markets did not do well today, so it's now a little lower than that. But, yeah, it seems like, it just seemed like something to buy. It popped up on a Motley Fool article or something on my computer, and I just get these 3 dividend stocks or whatever, and this was one of them, and it's something I've been seeing lately. This one, it's my first time getting in this position, but it just kind of made sense. It's a long-term buy and hold dividend play. But yeah, I have no problems dabbling with that. So yeah, bought it at 104.12. Anyway, let me know in the comments if you think that's a good buy. Yeah, it seems to have done pretty well. You know, I might look into the historic returns as well and see what those look like. I bet it's done pretty darn well. I mean, from what I understand, it's probably done amazingly over time, but I'll check that out as well. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Peace.